Hello, friends. It's Miss Sharon and Miss Jackie from Classroom 6. We miss you all and hope to see you soon. Today, we're going to show you how to make Oobleck.
Hola amigos, esta es Miss Jackie y Miss Sharon del Salón 6. Nos extrañamos mucho. Hoy les vamos a enseñar cómo hacer Oobleck.
Okay, you need mom and dad to get you a bowl.
Necesitan que mami o papi les dé un container plástico.
And then you're going to have cornstarch.
Después van a conseguir maicena.
Mommy and daddy can buy it at the dollar store, Dollar General, the supermarket.
La pueden comprar en la tienda de a peso, en el supermercado, en cualquier otra tienda.
You need 2 cups.
Necesita 2 vasos de maicena.
You fill it up. 2 cups.
2 vasos.
Pour it in your bowl.
La echa en su container.
And then you need 1 cup of water.
Y después necesita un vaso de agua.
Mix it together.
Las mezclan juntas.
If you have food coloring, you can make it a color.
Si tiene algo para añadirle color, puede poner cualquier color que quieran.
If not, you can leave it white. Mix it all.
Y si no, la pueden dejar en blanco. La van a mezclar.
You got to mix it fast or it'll get hard. And if you need more water,
Tienen que mezclarla bastante rápido porque si no se pone dura.
you can add more water if it gets too hard.
Si se pone muy dura, le puede añadir más agua.
Mix it all up together. Keep mixing, keep mixing.
La mezclan y la siguen mezclando. Wow.
Mix it all together. And then it's never going to get hard.
Nunca se va a poner dura.
When it's all mixed together,
Cuando ya está toda mezclada,
get a Ziploc bag.
búsquese una bolsita Ziploc.
Let mommy and daddy help you dump it in the bag.
Deja que mami o papi te ayuden a echarla dentro de la bolsita.
Seal the bag. Make sure there's no air in it.
Cierra la bolsa, asegúrense que no tenga aire.
And then you can play with it. The more
Y
you
la pueden
warm with your hand,
jugar con ella.
the more liquidy it'll be. Your hands,
Lo más que la sigan apretando, se va a poner más el líquido.
the warmer your hands are, and the more you keep playing with it, the more liquid it'll be. And you can keep it, you keep the bag sealed, friends.
Siempre mantenga la bolsa cerrada.
And there's your Oobleck.
Y ahí está tu Oobleck.
When it gets too hard, just have mommy and daddy throw the whole bag away. Don't.
Cuando se ponga muy dura, deja que mami o papi la boten en la basura.
No, don't dump it down the sink.
Nunca la tiren en el fregadero.
Johnny, come here. Bring your bag. Bring the green one. This is the one I made now. Come here, John. Come here, hon. John, come here. Bring it here. And this is the green one that I made earlier today with Johnny. All right, friends, we hope to see you soon. We love and miss you. Bye.
Ok, amigos, esperamos verlos pronto. Los extrañamos mucho. Adiós.
And if you need the recipe,
Si necesita la receta, ahí está.
2 cups of cornstarch, 1 cup of water, mixed together in a bowl, and use food coloring. Bye, friends.
Adiós, amigos.